That looks amazing. Keep that momentum. You're so slow, it's unbelievable. Impressive. There you go, you're getting it. You're about as slow as my grandma, and she's dead. They're loving your food. You need to... You're mastering the art. Great technique. You've been on a real journey, both of you. You've crafted dishes, made friends, and enemies. You've become real chefs. That's what this show is all about. It's time to reveal. The winner of this season of Hell's Kitchen Roblox is... Ladies and gentlemen, my new executive chef. Congratulations. Honestly, your skill has really impressed me. You are a worthy winner. Being a great chef is about more than winning. It's about resilience. You've got that in spades. Your future is bright. Trust me. And so, that wraps up another season of Hell's Kitchen. I'm Gordon Ramsay, and I'll see you next time, but please keep cooking.